Hey, it's Ian, and today I have a 16-in-1 multi-tool unlike anything we've ever seen before. Let me show you why this really impressed me. Now this has all the tools you've come to expect in a multi-tool, and we'll get into those, but let me show you this. Yes, you are looking at a 4-piece socket set, and it features all the most common sizes. Now we've never seen a socket wrench come included in a multi-tool, and you're gonna love having a socket wrench at the tip of your fingers because it'll allow you to manage fixes and repairs quickly and conveniently. Now moving on to my next favorite tool, we have the combo knife and saw blade. Now what you're really gonna love about this is the super sturdy lock, which will allow you to put a lot of pressure on the knife without having to worry about it folding up on you. Now you may have seen other multi-tools that come with a flashlight, and this one does. It comes in super handy, but you probably haven't seen one that also comes with a laser pointer. Now this runs on 2 AA batteries, which are included and come pre-installed, so this will work right out of the box. Just remember to pull the tab. Now this comes equipped with a wide range of screwdrivers, including Phillips head and flatheads. But unlike other models, this has a miniature screwdriver, which is great for things like your eyeglasses. And of course, they didn't forget to include a standard Allen key. Now for those times when you may get hungry or thirsty, of course they included a can and bottle opener. Now having a multi-tool like this is a must-have for your home or car. Now we have an absolutely incredible deal on the site that you're not going to want to miss out on. So head on over there and grab yours today.